here for the open. Let's see if I can't score some winners on the open. Bitcoin's still holding its consolidation from the 60-minute chart. Had some pullbacks yesterday, but it held its support line. So we're going to wait for that pattern to conclude. I was hoping for a bigger run on KMD, but I had to sell as it broke down the 34 here. Consolidation didn't hold, so I'm fearing that maybe Bitcoin is going to follow the same direction. Have to we'll have to see. I got some more stuff going on with the charts here. I got the 8, 13, and 34 moving averages, the T3s, Tim Tilson's T3s. I got the, what is that, the Accumulation Distribution Index by Larry Williams. And another Larry Williams favorite is the Williams Accumulation Distribution VIX. He calls it the VIX fix. So he's basically taking volatility and putting it into a accumulation distribution. Pretty nifty. I got a cross on the KMD, but it's got to cross a trend line, and it's doing opposite here. So I have to wait for KMD to come down. I'm looking at KMD because of the daily breakout and the tight weekly chart. So I'm going to let her come down into the previous breaks, all the way into previous lows. I had a very disappointing time with Theta, as Theta did break out, but then it shit the bed. It really just shit the bed. So I took that 25.25 that we talked about on the close yesterday, and it made a 2-bar reversal and the next candle, and it's just very disappointing there, Theta. Thought you had a little bit more juice left. Oh, another thing with the charts is I got volume by price, and I like it. You can see these green candles where this pump starts. Lots of green stuff going on, and then you can see the red candle. And let's change this over to a 60-minute chart. And you can see the red candle on the volume is near resistance. Imagine that. So lots of selling comes in during resistance, as you well know. What else was running last night? MTL's really close. I think it ran up, waiting it for it to come back in. It's tight down here on the weekly. Daily chart break. It's another one to watch. We got a lot of things coming back in. Power had a little run. Look at that power on the close here. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. We'll have to watch power on the open. I'm not going to buy before the open. I'm certainly going to get prepared. So I'm going to keep that open over there. I posted some stuff on the Discord that were very interesting. I got Larry Williams here talking about candle patterns, inside day candles, and I guess 70% if it goes through 70% of the previous candle. So it's like a 3-bar candle. Oh, I'm gonna pay attention here. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. I got an order down on the bid. Give me some power, baby. I got a new candle coming here instantly. Here we go. You can notice the change in the new candles now. It's a little bit faster thanks to Medved. Swinging for the fences here. Let's see if that can't come down and grab me. So we had the nice burst of energy on Bitcoin. It's gone sideways. It had a little burst of energy here. I got an outside day, but it's holding its own. I got a hammer here. Could turn into a hanging man if it breaks support. So we're looking for those legs, those shakeout legs, those dancing legs off of support. You can see they're dancing. So I got 3 legs pointing down on a longer term chart. That could very well conclude that it's a triple bottom somehow or another on, but let's see how we can play this. My bid's getting buried. REP on the open. Bam! Bouncing off the daily, coming across the 34. Let's see how far this thing will go. I've got low volume on power. I don't know if I want to keep this bid. These are Heiken Ashi candles, which are averaged of the averaged of the 2 candles. So the price is the yellow. Damn. Wasn't quick enough. Have to wait it out and let it come down and get me. It's got a nice weekly chart. The pop came back into support, bouncing off the 8, and now it's continuing off that 5-hour chart. Boom, boom. Coming across the line there. My bid's up where the break started, so I changed my bid. Hopefully it'll swing down and get me. It happens quick sometimes, so just let it be. Let it be. Just let it be. What else we got? Cloak was a good runner yesterday. Came all the way back in. Got REP moving. Not so proud of that turn yet, but 60-minute chart looks good. See if I can't grab this thing coming down in. Looks like it hit a wall there. Come on, power, come down and get me. REP in cash. SC needs some help on the bottom. GTO, that looks good. 60-minute chart looks like it had a little run at the end of the day there. You can see the red volume by price. What's going on with power? Just hit a wall, I guess. Let it come down and get me. waves. Still waiting for a previous break. It's a nice bounce. It's got support there. Here comes power back in. Let's see if coming out. I got my order in right at the breaking point, so let's see if it comes all the way back in. A little touch and go. MITH. Let's check power's resistance there. See that red candle right at resistance again. Gotta love this price by volume by price. Here she comes. Come and get you. Coming to get you. Let's change this to a 3 minute. See if we can't see it come in. I got my order right around where it broke out. Right there. Like a dream. REP continues to haul it. Right around the 5-hour chart there. It's got a green candle on the resistance on this one. Come and get me. Almost there. Come on. You can do it. What do we got? Waves is pumping. Got some volume. It got me. Came and got me. I'm in power. See what happens. Let it ride. Boom, boom time. Waves had a little end of the day pump. Looks like it's bounced pretty nicely. Maybe a continuation here. Oh, Bitcoin fell over. Me no notice till now. Well, consolidation coming to an end as it needs to come down to consolidate more. I got a previous high at 3,500. Nothing else going on. Got me some power though. Boom boom time. No whammies. Let's take these candles off. See if we can see the real thing here. Storm popped its head up. What's going on with Storm? Change this to a 15-minute chart. Steam. So waiting on a turn on Steam. REP, Storm, Waves, and Power. Steam is pumping it. Let's see what's going on with Steam here. It's a nice little triangle going on. Got some negative sentiment going on in the open here. Not a lot of green going on. Lots of red on the open. More red showing up. I'm going to go for another pick-me-up here. Slam it. Big volume push, low volume pullback. Sound familiar? I don't see Jack. Ugh. Well, we might as well look at Bitcoin. Nothing's going on here. Data on the losing side today. Big old 2-bar reversal on that 60-minute chart. Where's the Bitcoin? Daily chart, it's coming back into the 8 for the splash. Look at that. That's pretty nicely done there. Copy that. So it looks like a lot of pullbacks today. Nothing to see here. So I scaled in just a little bit more on the power. See where it goes from here. Got to make sure that it holds support because it was doing well at first. EOS is holding on here. That's a nice chart on EOS. Looks like a potential trend change on the weekly chart coming into play here. It's above the 34 on the daily. And it's hanging 10 on this low day here. TRX, ICX. Haven't looked at ICX in a while. Still work to do there. Waves already ran up, so not sure if I'd buy anything right now. I gotta fix my trade on power. Ain't nothing going on today. 20 minutes is enough for beating a dead horse. Catch me on Discord. Let me know what's going on out there. Let me just check and see. Nope, no one's watching anyways. Anyways, watch Bitcoin. It's coming back into support. It looks like on that daily chart, it's coming back in to make the 34.8 splash, as I always talk about, as the pullback comes in. And there's a Trump rally tonight, so hopefully I'll watch that. And I guess Adam Schiff is in some deep shiffy. So I'll catch you guys. Appreciate you guys, and thank you for the support.